Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how you can add the subtitles of your videos very easily. There are some shortcuts that you can use, and for a video length of approximately 8 to 10 minutes of overall length, it will not take you more than 30 to 45 minutes to add the subtitles. If you are already shooting this in English, then this is a much simpler process for you. But if you are like me and you shoot in the regional language, then what the process is I will share with you. As I said, that right, this process is not going to take too long. So what you need to do is you need to first go to YouTube Studio, and then you need to go to content, and you will see the list of all your videos over here, and you need to just go to the video for which you want to add the subtitles. You'll see on the left hand side there's a button called subtitles. You click over there and you would see the subtitles that you want to add are already listed over here. If it isn't, you can click on add language and it will add it over there. For example, I create the videos in Hindi language and they're already published automatic, which is not really very fine. They have got a number of errors, and I want this to be also available for my English speaking audience. So what I will do is I will go to this English India language and I'm going to click on add subtitles, and this is the kind of window that will come in front of you. Please ignore my open mouth over here. That was the first frame, but anyways, let's move ahead. Now what you need to do is, before you start, you need to click on over here pause while typing. This is very important, and what we need to do is we'll do type manually. Now I'm assuming that you are new to this and you have not already created a handwritten or a SRT file which you can upload and just map against the timelines. So we're going to do a manual process, and I'm going to show you a couple of places how you can add the subtitles manually. And as I said, it's a very easy process. So when I click on type manually, you would see that a caption box comes and it automatically shows time over here. The first is for 2 seconds, and that's okay. And you would see a blue bar down over here which says that for the first 2 seconds it will show what the text you are writing. This can also be dragged. For example, I can move it over here, I can move it over here, I can extend it, I can shorten it. You can do n number of things with it, and that's what I will cover as to how do I add subtitles in my video. So what I do is, firstly, when I'm over here, you need to learn a couple of shortcuts. So one is you need to press shift plus space, and when you do that,
अगर
the
आप
video
अपने
starts
पैसे
playing.
को 5 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करके उसके ऊपर मैक्सिमम रिटर्न पाना चाहते हैं वो
So this is where till I have heard, and what I will do is I will now just extend it over here because this is my first entry, and you will see that it has gone back over here, and that's okay. So I will just add over here, and again press shift plus space.
अगर आप अपने पैसे को 5 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करके उसके ऊपर मैक्सिमम रिटर्न पाना चाहते हैं
I again press shift space and it pauses over here. Now what I do is I typically listen to a fragment and then I start typing the subtitles. So for example, I will again press shift space and it will start going ahead.
वो भी गारंटेड। तो वो कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम होनी चाहिए, इसी को जानेंगे इस वीडियो।
I'm over here, I've paused it, and you can see that the cursor is over here, it's blinking over here, and you need to press enter. And what it does is it puts this blue bar over here, right, which means that this is the segment that you want to add text to or add the subtitle for. And again, after this, I will press shift plus space.
वीडियो में एक एक्सेल शीट की मदद से
So this is a very small segment that I have added. So I will again hit enter. And again shift space.
मेरा नाम है अमित, आप देख रहे हैं पैसा मैटर्स। चलिए बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
Again shift space, enter. So this is the way how you can quickly add all of the subtitles. And if you see from here, now I'll just play the video and you can see the subtitles over here running along the line.
अगर आप अपने पैसे को 5 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करके उसके ऊपर मैक्सिमम रिटर्न पाना चाहते हैं, वो भी गारंटेड, तो वो कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम होनी चाहिए, इसी को जानेंगे इस वीडियो में एक एक्सेल शीट की मदद से। मेरा नाम है अमित, आप देख रहे हैं पैसा मैटर्स। चलिए बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
So you can see over here, up until over here, everything is working fine. Whenever I click over here, it goes, this particular bar goes to the starting. So what you can do is you can click on shift, keep pressing shift, and press the right button, right, the right arrow key, and it will shift to the right by a few seconds. I think it takes 5 seconds and it shift to the right, and I will start hearing this again. To add more subtitles. But what one of the thing is, sometimes you will need some spaces over here. For example, I don't want to enter anything for a period. For example, let's say
हैं गारंटेड इन्वेस्टमेंट की, तो सबसे पहली I have heard over here, but let's assume that this section is all empty. So I will hit on enter and then I will start again. ये चीज़ जो हमारे दिमाग में आती है वो आती है फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट या and now I will hit enter again and you can see that this particular section is now empty, and when I come from here, when I click from here and I press shift plus space, मेरा नाम है अमित, आप देख रहे हैं पैसा मैटर्स। चलिए बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। अगर हम बात करते हैं गारंटेड इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो यू कैन सी दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्लू स्पेस इज ऑल एम्प्टी ओवर हियर, यू डू नॉट सी एनीथिंग and it's going further, right? So that's how you can simply add the subtitles. You can also move this bar anywhere you want to. For example, I move it over here and I press shift plus space and it starts from there, right? So this is a very, very simple and easy process. As I said, I have created subtitles for many of my videos, and this does not take a lot of time. It takes approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and again depends upon how frequently do you want to write the subtitles. If you want to write a lot of subtitles, then of course it's going to take a longer time, but typical time I've already shared with you. When you're finished writing all your subtitles, you need to hit on this publish button and your subtitles will get published, and it will be available for people to see when they click on the CC button. So that's all that I wanted to cover in today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos in the future. Have a great day and we'll see you soon.